Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. And if you're coming from the last video, then you know this is the second part of my Temu nail haul. And we're just gonna get right into it. These are the next set of nails that I got, and these are the same as the last ones, almond with multiple different French tips, but these have a more of a darker nude base than the last ones. And then also the next thing I got were these almond ombre gel nails, and these are like a bunch of different ombre. I don't really like them. I got them because I wanted like one or two sets out of this whole pack, but there are a bunch of different ombres. Some start with pink to white, white to pink. They have a pink to like an orange yellow. That doesn't look that bad actually, but I don't know why it's in here. I don't really like that, but there's just a bunch of different ombre gel nails, and these are not like super strong or sturdy or anything, and most nails from this brand are not, but nonetheless I still got them because I wanted like one or two of them out of this whole pack, so I got them anyway. So the next thing I got were just these short, extra short, whatever one you think they are. I think they're extra short French tip nails, and I moved the pack because I already used some of these. But these are extra short French tip nails, and I got a nude brown base, and then I also got a nude pink base that I'm going to show you guys. But they're just extra short, like I said. They're like 5 sets in each pack. I really like them. They're like sturdy, but they're not like too sturdy where you can't see the gel underneath, and they're like a nice like natural length as well, and I like that. So I got these, and I will get more of these because I really like them, and they look very natural on my nails, the nude brown and the pink. So I got both because like I said, I like them, and they're very sturdy. They're short, so it's good that they're sturdy because it's not too much going on, but I really like them. So if you like extra short and you like French, I would get them. So the next thing I got were some more nails, of course. And these ones are like the extra short almond or round nails I showed you guys in the last video, but these are like short coffin. And I really like these. They're like a good coffin shape, if you understand what I mean. Like not every coffin is a good coffin. I think these are good coffin or ballerina. I don't really know, but I like the shape. And there are multiple variety of nudes. I really like the nudes in this pack. I'm not sure about the white. I don't it looks like the gel will be very noticeable underneath, but I like all the nudes. So those are very pretty in my opinion, and they're pretty sturdy. Even though they're this brand, they're a little good. Okay, no, don't don't knock them till you try them. And I got some more nail markers, and these ones are not metallic. These are regular colors, but these have a fine tip. So I got some of them, and I'm going to show you guys how they look in another clip, in another video. Not another video, but later on in the video. Um, and the next thing I got were some more nail charms, but these are a bunch of bowls. And these bowls are like the normal bowls at the top, and then they also have like some like multicolor marble looking bowls at the bottom. And I really like those as well. And these will also be used in the video later on, so keep watching. And the next thing I got was this rhinestone, sorry, wrong clip, was this extension gel polish, but it was very thick, and I thought it was regular gel polish with glitter in it, but it's extension gel, I guess. That's what it says. But it's like a nude pink with glitter in it. So I don't know how I feel about that. And it's very tiny. The bottle came a little dusty looking, but I think that's just the way it's supposed to look. I don't know. But I got it nonetheless. And this is fake grass. Fake grass. I repeat, fake grass. Fake grass. Fake grass. Okay? Fake grass. So I'm gonna get that off my screen now before you think of something else. Um, the next thing I got was some plaid nail foils, you know, some fall type of things going on later on in some other videos. So I got some nail foils, and I also got some more like rhinestones, but these are gold and silver like flat balls. So not a ball. I don't know what you call that. A half a ball. I don't know, but they're just flat rhinestone like gold and silver flat balls. Okay. Yeah. And then I got some nail stickers, and I got these because I felt like they were like, I don't know, not the first one. The first one's giving like, I don't know, like a ghetto SpongeBob. But I got them for like the ones in the back, the graffiti look. I like that. So I need some more graffiti stickers. And it's only like 2 in this pack, but I like them nonetheless. And even to get a little SpongeBob looking one, okay? I like that too. And the next thing I got were these like 3D, I don't know if these are 3D. I don't know what these are called. They're like flowers, okay? They're like paper flowers, and these are like gonna be like easy to like encapsulate with without using like acrylic and stuff. So I got some of these, and they're a 2-pack, and they came with the picker as well, the rhinestone tweezer picker upper thingy. So that was really nice. And then also I got this is the rhinestone glue I was talking about, okay? This is rhinestone glue. I don't know if it broke in the pack. I don't know what's going on, but it's like blue. I had to clean it up afterwards, but it wasn't pouring out or anything, so I don't know what that is. Let me know in the comments if you know. But I was a little scared when I opened it because it had like this pointy tip, and I have shaky hands, so it's a little difficult to get it back in the bottle. But I really like that. It's like a precision rhinestone glue, so I will also be using this in the video. And then just some basic UV nail gloves, you know, nothing crazy. And I also got some more hibiscus flower stickers because I really like them from the last time I got them. And just some cuticle pushers with like the nail file like filling on them. I don't know. And I got these eyeball like 3D stickers because you know they're like trending. And these will come in handy for some Halloween nails I want to try out, maybe, hopefully. What are these? These are charms. No, they're not charms. These are chains. These are chains to put on nails. It comes in a set of 4, and it's a whole bunch of chains, thick, tiny, slim, thin, whatever you want to call it, okay? Um, what else is this? These are confetti. This is like I think they're glow in the dark. They're like glow in the dark, different shapes, stars, hearts, dots, polka dots, squiggly wigglies, I don't know. But they're a bunch of glow in the dark confetti pieces, and I don't know what I want to do with them. Maybe like a Valentine's Day thing. I don't know yet. I'll figure it out, but I got them. And these are also like some powders to put over like 3D nail art. So I want to use those for Christmas. That'll be crazy, okay? And this is the whole haul. This is everything I got. This is the second part, so make sure you watch the first part and use my code in the description below. And we're gonna get into the design right now. So for the design, as you've seen in the thumbnail, I'm gonna be using these French tip nails from the second box I got that was in this video, obviously, and they're just new, and I picked this one to use because I want to do like an outline French with the nail markers. So I'm just going to size out all my nails. I'm not going to buff the inside of them, file the inside of them, or nothing. I'm going to use the matte base that comes with the nails already prepped, ready to go. Okay, so yeah, I'm just sizing out all my nails, and then I'm going to use that same 5-in-1 gel base that I got from Temu before, and I'm going to use that to adhere the nails with, and nothing else too crazy. We're just gonna keep doing what we're doing. So the middle finger looked like it was about to pop off, so I just pulled it off because it had a big gaping whatever that is. So I redid it off camera. I cut myself a little bit, so don't mind the blood, okay? It's not that much. So I hope you're not squeamish, but it's not that much. I'm wiping it off as we go. It'll get better throughout the video. So just keep that in mind. But all the nails look like they're about to pop off. So I just had to keep moving because I wasn't about to reapply all of them. Peel off base works real well. So we're going to get straight to the design, and I'm using the markers. Like I said, I'm using the purple one, and all I did to like activate the marker was shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Okay. And then after that, I just like dabbed it on a piece of paper just to make like the tip have the color on it as well, and that started working for them. So that's the trick for these, and I like that they're fine tip. I just got to work on my shaky hands. I don't know what it is, but I did not mat the top of these nails or anything. I just used it straight off of the tube, straight out of the marker, the pen, whatever you want to call it. And I'm using this, like, what is this called? Like a cotton ball Q-tip thing. I don't know what it's called, but it's to clean up nail art. So I'm doing that to like help with like making the line straighter. And I'm literally just doing the outline of the French with the purple just because that's all I want. And this pigment is like pretty good. Like in person, it didn't seem like it was that strong, but once it started like drying and on camera, it looks pretty decent. Like you can see it's purple, right? Like you can see the purple. Don't tell me you can't, because I know you can. You can see the purple. Ignore the blood and look at the purple. But I'm going to do this on all the nails, and then this did air dry, so I did not have to cure it. And I also did not like file around the cuticle parts because I didn't really have that much excess glue that came out on these, and because they were about to pop off immediately, I didn't want to do all that. So you didn't skip that part. I just didn't do that part. So we're going to get to continuing to do the purple, and I'll tell you what else I'm doing later. So after I did all my purple, I did go in my hand file just to like clean up the tabs and round them out a little bit more because this French tip is printed on and it's very obvious. So I just rounded them out and, you know, just did a little bit of something, something. So I didn't file around the cuticle like I said. I only filed the tips of the nails to get the little like tab part off of them, and then afterwards I'm going with some top coat. I should have went in with my Temu top coat, but I didn't, so we're going to pretend I did. But I'm going in with some top coat, and then I'm just going to cure them for 2 minutes, and then come right back again to add charms on. So after I cured, I'm going in with the bows like I told you guys I would do. And I'm picking like another purple bow, but I'm picking the purple with like the gold flakes on it because I feel like that like complements the purple that are on the nails that I used. And these bows, I don't know, they're like very straight up. I wish they were more like rounded, and I want to learn how to like round out charms a little bit more so that they actually go into the nail without every corner and edge sticking up. But I'm using this one and I'm only doing one because I don't want to do all the nails, but you can if you want, but I didn't want to. So now I'm going to take the rhinestone glue and I'm going to put a little bit actually on the nail itself and not the rhinestone because it was a little hard to hold it. So I'm going to put a little bit on the nail where I would want it to be at, and then I'm putting the rhinestone, well, I don't even know what's a rhinestone, the bow. I'm putting the bow on the nail. This rhinestone glue is watery. I wish it was a little thicker, but it is watery. So it's a little difficult to get the bow to stay where I needed it to, but as soon as I put it on there, I put the light immediately on. Immediately. I even touched the bow with the light because I needed it to stay where I needed it to stay. So I'm doing that, putting it right in the center of my middle finger so I can show everyone that finger specifically, okay? And then I'm going to cure it. I'm going to cure it for however long this light let me cure it for. I think it's like 60 seconds. I held it down for the 60-second mark. So that's what I'm going to do. And you can even cure it in your full size lamp, but I didn't do all that. I just did it with this, and that was really it. Nothing else crazy to it. So this is what the nails are looking like. I like the design. I like the nails. I wish I would have buffed out the nails first because the top coat is a little bubbly, but we're going to ignore that because they're popping off right after this video. But these are what the nails look like. Like I said, I really do like them. Yeah, it's really nothing else to say about it. I like the bows, I like the nails. Ignore the cut, ignore the blood, ignore everything else but the nails. Look at the nails, look at the products, look at that. Look at that only. Make your eyes go to that. Don't worry about them about to pop off. Don't worry about the bubbles in the top coat. Just look at the nails. They're pretty, right? So these are what the nails look like. Like I said, if you guys like the video, if you like the nails, comment down below, like the video, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. And make sure you go look at the last Temu haul video I did as well, because that will be before this one, and let me know what you think about that. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.